Lucky, what is it? Easy, buddy. Don't step there. I think it's the floor. Lucky, wait. Stop.
The pouch yields too easily. Checks nearest seam.
No obvious draft touches the skin. The leak hides from the first simple test. Watch Lucky again.
Something's wrong with that spot. Check the seal.
Nothing here. Too small. Let's try this one, Lucky. Stay close. I've got it. Just a weak pull to starboard. Isolating airflow now. All right, that one's closed. Just got to mark it now. Still pulling. Something's open.
Oh.
Trying another shutdown.
Nope.
Nope. Still air. Where is it coming from? Still drifting. Check the strip. It's not just circulation. Something else is bleeding pressure. There it is. Look at that pull. Affirmative. Floor tests next. Okay, Lucky. Confirming without instruments. Stand by. Checking connections now. Still nothing here. Maybe this seal?
No.
No. Still holding. It has to be somewhere else. Still not backing off. Okay, let's check these edges. Needs to move. Nothing here. Keep watching, boy. Empty. Still nothing. ARF. Inside the wall. Or inside the trunk itself. Lucky? Something's wrong. Find it, Lucky. Find it. Fire. Right here. Stay back. I'll check the collar. The leak is on the shell.
Stand by. Incoming message.
Earth contact confirmed, Lucky. Looks like we have a leak, too. Rough. Something's wrong. Not random. Mechanical stress. I'm going out. I have to go out there. No, Aiden. It's too dangerous. There's no other way. All right, cold patch and brace rod secured, good to go. Woof, woof. Hey, Lucky, ready to go, boy? I'll be back, Lucky. Wait here. Helmet ring secured. Moving to gloves.
Fresh dust sits deeper here than near Hab 1. Slow settling has been active along the route. Expose the cable line.
The cable is canted here. There's a misalignment before any damage. Follow it toward Hab 1.
The regolith is sliding here. We'll need to bypass this section. I'll mark it now.
The surface gives and slides. Stability is dropping right where the line crosses. I need to check the anchor.
The anchor has sunk on this side. It's pulling the cable off angle. Clear the dust around the base.
All right, found it. Repeated shifts are dragging the line. Roger, check cable tension.
The cable enters at a forced angle. It's clear now, the leak is here. We need to check the collar immediately. Agreed. All right, found the collar. Frost is heavy on the left. Need to clear this to verify the seam. Check.
The bloom has stalled. The pass-through is the source. Stabilizing myself now.
Still holding pressure. Need the clamp. Copy. Clamp is on its way. Tightening. Holding steady. Good, let it lock. Locked. Releasing pressure.
Easing pressure now. Confirming seal. Seal holds. Monitor for frost buildup.
The cable is still dragging, even after the patch. I need to lift it free. Cable's clear. Now to brace the anchor. Careful of the dust. The angle is reduced. We should have full connection now.
Check confirmed. System status is green.
Copy that.
The tremor is steadying.
Relay life appears stable.
Verified. Heading to the housing.
The relay isn't dead, just disturbed.
Free the contact with one careful tap.
The hum rises. It's stable. The path is open. I'm coming back. The wind's picking up.
Too bright. Commencing retreat. Visor obscured.
Received. Fall back to the habitat. Stay low. Almost lost the strip. Need to find firmer ground before calling transport.
Footing holds. The path home is open.
Confirmed. Head for transport. God, that took everything. System's nominal. Get me inside. Is it still there, boy? Woof. Okay, let's check the readout. The strip lifts only a fraction now.
The outside patch worked. Now we watch whether the pull persists.
Still ringing.
Oh.
Faint, but holding.
Right.
Right. Backup relay.
All right, clear vibration.
Path restored.
Seated, sending now.
Connection stable. Relay live.
Earth, this is HAB-1. Message initiated. Please confirm receipt.
Hey, B1. Earth receiving. Link established and stable. Continue transmission.
The status burst survives the relay window. Release and see whether the line stays alive. The sleeve now resists small tremors from the outside line. The inside support buys extra insurance without killing the reload.
You feel that, Lucky? Yeah. Floor check. Get back.
I feel that. It's not just the surface. There's something deeper moving.
Did you hear that? Hold on. The floor just shivered. We're not safe here.